Hello, dear friends. Today we're making a very delicious dish. We'll need 3 chicken breasts. Make cuts along and across the breasts. Watch the video and follow along, and everything will turn out great. You know, I used to end up with dried chicken breasts, but this recipe makes them very tasty and juicy. A little salt. A little pepper. Friends, leave a comment with your country, city, and state where you're watching my videos. It's amazing that thanks to YouTube, we can connect worldwide without barriers. Some Italian herbs. Flip the breasts and repeat the seasoning. "50 grams, about 3.5 tablespoons of butter. Place the breasts cut side down. Sear on one side for 4 minutes. Friends, your support means so much to me. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. It's very important for its growth. Flip and sear on the other side. Cut potatoes into large pieces. You'll need 6 to 7 medium potatoes. Cover with water and set to boil. Add a little salt to taste. Cook for 20 minutes until fully done. When the chicken is well seared, remove it from the heat. One onion, finely chop it. Add the onion to the pan where you cooked the chicken. Two garlic cloves. Chop finely. the garlic to the onion. "300 milliliters, about 1¼ cups of chicken broth. I used a standard bouillon cube. Mix well. "200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup of cream. Mix again thoroughly. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. A bunch of parsley. Chop finely. Add the parsley to the sauce. Now, place the chicken breasts into the sauce. When the potatoes are fully cooked, remove them from the heat. Mash the potatoes with a regular masher. Add a little butter. Add 100 milliliters, about 1/2 cup, of warm milk. Mix everything well. Pour the sauce over the chicken breasts. Cover with a lid and leave on low heat for 15 minutes. While we wait for the chicken breast, let me show you a new recipe for my favorite meat pie. We'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry, 400 grams, about 14 ounces. Cut the dough in half. Some flour is needed. Roll out the dough slightly. "500 grams, about 17.6 ounces, ground beef. 1 onion, finely chop it. Add the onion to the minced meat, a bunch of parsley, chop finely. Add the parsley to the minced meat. Salt, pepper, smoked paprika, Italian herbs. Mix well. I use a potato masher. Add 50 milliliters, about 1.7 fluid ounces of clean water. Mix well again. Place the dough on the baking tray. Put the minced meat on the dough. You can use a fork, but it is easier with your hands. Spread the entire minced meat mixture. Cut off the excess dough so that the edges are smooth. Four medium-sized potatoes. Cut into thin slices. This makes it much tastier. Pour clean water over the potatoes. Rinse the potatoes well. Place the potatoes on the minced meat, evenly and in a thin layer. Salt the potatoes. Cover with the second half of the dough. Combine both halves of the dough. I just press them together. Walk along the entire edge. One egg. Brush the top of the dough with egg. Then the cake will be golden brown. Poke some holes at the top. Simply with the fork. Bake in preheated oven for 45 minutes. Our chicken breast is ready. Juicy, flavorful, and incredibly delicious. Chicken breast with mashed potatoes makes a tasty and well-balanced dinner. Two tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Two tablespoons tomato paste. One garlic clove. Finely grate the garlic. Mix well. Our cake is ready. Just look at how beautifully tanned he looks. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. It is very tasty. Be sure to try it out and surprise your loved ones. Enjoy your meal.